Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button and then hit the bell next to it so you can get the alerts every time I post a new video, because you know you want to see that. So today, what I'm going to be showing you how to do is to make a faux fur clutch. It's super easy. It literally took me under 30 minutes to make. So all you have to do is follow a few quick instructions, and then you only need a few supplies, and this is just super duper easy, and I'm super excited to share this with you guys. Alright, so this is my first DIY, so be sure to like this video and let me know if there is anything you would like to see, and I hope you enjoy. Let's do this. Alright guys, so these are the materials you're going to need to use to make your furs. You're first going to need your furry little material. I chose this one. It actually came for a Halloween costume. It was like one of those booty things. So it's just got super long fur on it and I love it and it's perfect. So next, if you choose to put a button on yours, which I liked this gold one, go ahead and grab one. And then you're going to need a pair of scissors, and I used this Stitch Mate actually only about halfway through because the darn thing broke on me. So go ahead and grab yourself a needle and thread, because trust me, it works just as well, if not better. Alright. Alright guys, so now we're going to apply our button. So just find the center where you want to place it, then take your needle and thread and just go straight through the middle. Alright, now grab your needle, because I dropped mine, but grab your button and then just place it straight through. Go right back to the spot where you made your entry hole and just follow through back down, and then you'll just go back up and around and through the button until you're finished, and then you'll just tie off a knot at the end. Alright, now that you guys are finished, like I said, just tie it off right there. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to want to find where you want the hole for your button. So just go ahead and make a slit with your scissors and you guys are done. It is super cute, so yay! Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to bring you some more videos. So yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day, and bye!